by multi-step inequalities.
Yeah, this is going to be awesome.
I know, because we've done add and subtract.
And multiply, divide. Now we're going to put it all together in one kit and caboodle.
You got it.
Okie dokie.
Here we go.
So, example 1, using more than one step. What are the solutions of 9 plus 4t is greater than 21? And you're wanting us to check the solutions.
Ah! Okay, so this is where we can make that straight line again.
Yeah, it's just like we've been doing.
Right. It's like it all ties together.
It's like we don't do anything different.
I
We
know.
just do the same thing
Got it.
over and over. It's real fun.
It's called repetition.
Okay.
So our goal is to get the t alone. So we're
yeah,
going
so-
to subtract 9
Right.
from both sides.
Isolate the term with the variable first. So get 4t by itself. 21 minus 9 is what?
10?
Yeah. No, it's 12.
Well,
Wrong way.
come on.
And then we go ahead and divide.
Okay, so I'm going to divide by 4. So Richardson, do I flip my sign here?
No.
Why?
You only flip the sign when it's negative.
Okay, so when the negative travels. Okay.
Okay, so t is greater than 3, so that means that t can be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Right. Can it be 3?
Nope, because that's not bigger.
Got it. Okay. So to check it, we write the equation. So 4 plus, or 9. Ooh.
What is that? Oh, it's a check mark.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was like, that's not a 4.
So should I plug in this 3 for the t?
Yeah, you put the 3 where the t goes,
Okay.
was, and then check it. So 9 plus 12 is greater than 21.
9 plus 12 is?
21.
So what do we do here?
I think, I don't know.
Well, there's supposed to be an equal sign when you check them.
Oh, there is?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Are you sure?
Check the endpoint, then choose the value greater than 3.
Oh, choose a value greater than 3 and
Or
check the
if you
or
use
set
this
it
one.
equal. Okay, so if you're going to use that, it has to be an equal sign, or pick a value that's greater than 3, like 4.
Like 4.
So 9 plus 4 times 4 is greater than 21. So 9 plus 16 is obviously greater than 21.
Yeah, 25.
Yep, bigger than 21, last time I checked.
There you go.
Okay, so awesome.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're going
Yeah, now we have 3.
to...
So how about we do A, and then they can do B and C.
Okay, so we're going to do A, what you just said, and then you guys are going to pause and do the next 2. So here's
Like
how...
there's an echo.
I know. Wow, I'm a genius today. So the first step is to isolate the term with the variable, so I got to get rid of that minus 7 by adding 7. I have negative 6a on the left side is less than or equal to 24.
Okay.
Okay, then I divide by a negative.
Okay. So my negative 6 is traveling. Red flag.
Flip it, flip it. So I'm flipping the sign because I divided by a negative, because it takes it to the other side of the, on the number line, other side of 0. So 24 divided by negative 6 is negative 4. So A has to be greater than negative 4. If I'm going to check, I'm going to pick a number bigger than negative 4, so negative 3.
Okay.
So, and I'm
So
going to plug...
negative 3 because we're going closer to 0. So negative 3 is bigger.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes. So I'm going to plug that in. So negative 6 times negative 3 minus 7 needs to be less than or equal to 17.
And again, we just created this negative 3 out of thin air. You could have used
Well,
0.
I
Actually,
mean,
0 would have been way easier. Let's do that.
let's do 0.
Let's use 0. Guys, let's work smarter, not harder.
Come on. Okay, so 0 minus 7 is negative 7, and that is smaller than 17.
So we did it right.
Good for us.
Okay.
Now you do B and C.
You got it.
Pause now. Boom.
All right. So we solved these.
Ah! Lots happening.
Okay.
Okay, so this one you should have gotten n is less than 3 because you divided by a negative, so you got to flip the sign around. And then on the other one, you should have x is less than 25. I think you should just stick with leave it. Or if you didn't take it to that next step, 25 is greater than x. Same song and dance. All right,
There you
okay, let's keep it moving. Wow. We're looking up at
this.
I
Yeah.
know, we're looking up at a screen. Sorry. Okay, so in a community garden, you want to fence in a vegetable garden that is adjacent, meaning next to your friend's garden. You have at most 42 feet of fence. So
Okay.
42 is the most I have. What are the
possible
lengths
lengths of the garden.
Okay, your fence should surround your garden. What formula would you use? Well, we're gonna use perimeter, right? Okay. Oh, 2L plus 2W or L plus W plus W.
Right.
Okay, so
Or
in
L
words, let's think about in words what we're doing.
Okay.
So I have 42 feet at most. So
At
42 is
The biggest.
is greater than or equal to my
everything
fencing.
else. Mhm.
Okay.
So the book says twice the length plus twice the width is at most the length of the fence.
Okay, so they did the perimeter formula is at most the amount of the fence, which is
Right.
42.
So we just applied this to our formula.
So
Okay.
write that down. Now we're gonna set it up.
Okay. So what do we have a length already?
42.
Well, I'm sorry, twice the
Oh,
length.
I'm so sorry. Yes, it
That's
looks
the
like
fence is 42.
okay. So it looks like my length is 12, right?
How did you know that? It wasn't in the words that it gave me.
I used my brain coral and my eyeball corals and looked.
Right here, it's
Mhm.
given. Yeah.
It was right there.
Okay. So does it matter if I put that in for length or width?
No, was it a square?
Well, but does it really matter in perimeter?
No.
Right. So this, it happens to be in the center, but yet it can travel
Way over there.
all the way there.
Or
Correct?
over to my new garden.
Okay. Or that way.
Okay, so we're gonna have 2 times 12 plus 2 times W,
Mm-hmm.
so 2W, is at most, so is greater than or equal to 42.
Right. Oh man. Lengths. So we should have had that there. Does this make sense what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah, because it's asking for length.
Asking in particular to the length.
Well,
Tomato, tomato.
Come see,
it would have
come
been
saw.
fine. Mm-hmm.
I think that's French.
There you go.
Okay, so we said, oh, greater than or equal to, good,
Yeah.
and then we solve. Okay, so you would go through the motions and solve this.
So we have 24,
Mhm.
subtract 24, divide by 2.
Well, should we do it? I mean, let's just do it.
Okay.
So 2L plus 24 is less than or equal to 42.
Correct?
Subtract the 24s. And we get 2L equals, no, it's
Less than or equal to.
Yep.
18.
18.
I was right. Have confidence.
I don't
right?
do mental math.
Not either. Not very well.
Not well.
So L is less than or equal to 9.
Width. Feet. Feet
There we go.
is my width. Okay. They would have got minus half.
Exactly. Yeah,
We wouldn't have.
I have no comment for them.
Okay. What is that? Are those J's?
It's a T.
No, the number. Oh, are they ones? Is this number 3?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Got it. Okay, so we're gonna distribute, then solve. I'm sorry. So we're putting all of it together into one little package
Okay.
right here in this problem. So first, distribute.
Right, because parentheses or G grouping comes first.
Right. Well, actually, yes. Okay. Also,
Oh, don't forget to send those progress reports. Got it. It's coming at you.
thanks, computer.
Yep.
Okay, so 3t.
Okay.
And I have 3 times t, that's
Right.
multiplying. So 3t plus 3 minus 4t.
That's 3 times 1 as well.
Is greater than or equal to -5.
Okay.
Now, the next step.
Stop everything.
Okay.
No, you were good.
Oh, I was going to
Yeah.
tell you a secret. Okay, so distribute, simplify, solve. So simplify first.
Yeah. 'cause
Combine
it's
like
on the
terms.
same side here.
I only want one letter
Right.
on each side.
Right.
So I'm going to do 3t minus the 4t, and I'm going to get a -1t.
Mm-hmm. Greater than or equal to -5.
Yes. Subtract the 3, subtract the 3.
Keep trucking along.
Now I have -t is greater than or equal to -8.
Done?
Nope. And
Okay.
some of you did this on your chapter 2
Mhm.
test.
Yes.
You have to, I don't want to know what -t is. I want to know what regular t is.
Right.
So divide by -1. T is equal to, nope, is greater than or equal. Oh, I divided by negative. Oh my gosh, I would've got it wrong. Flip the
Not
side.
if you would have checked it.
That's true. Oh yeah. So then we got 8. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, that's too fast.
It's one of our finer moments. Okay.
Okay, so now do one yourself. Distribute.
Yeah, on your own.
simplify, solve.
Remember what we're distributing.
Oh shoot, I bet you guys would have missed it.
Pause
Okay, go.
it. All right, hopefully we got m is less than or equal to -3.
Now, I can check to
Sure
see if I did it right
Right.
by myself. I don't have to say, hey, Miss Whitworth, did I get the right answer?
Right.
I can check it. You can check it yourself. So you
Right.
find a number that's less than or equal to -3,
Mm-hmm.
plug it back in, and chug through the problem.
Yep. Or if you choose -3, just change the inequality to an equal.
Well, but this is greater than or less than or equal to, so it doesn't matter.
True. Should be equal to.
Hope you flipped the sign, by the way.
There we go.
Okay, solving inequalities with variables on both sides. It's the same.
We've done this.
We've done it. So we're going to move letters to one side, numbers to the other. So we're going to take all the letters over this way. So minus the 3 n's. We chose the smaller one, right?
Right.
Because it makes it easier for us.
Right.
So I took away the 3n because it was smaller than 6n.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm left with this. So I'm going to move the numbers that way. Plus 1, that's plus 9.
Sorry, I was.
You were ahead of
Yeah.
yourself. So we're plussing 1. Wow. We're adding 1. We get 3n is greater than 9.
9. See, I had that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Divide by 3. No flipping of the
No
sign.
flip. We're not moving that negative.
Mm-mm. And we get 3. So there you go.
Again, you can check this. So on a quiz, homework, test, I would do it so that way you know if it's correct or not.
Yeah. Okay. Same thing.
Same thing.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Here we go. Minus 27. I know what I would do first is move the letters.
I would move the letters too, and I
So-
see a -2b,
Yeah.
so I want to get rid of that.
Okay, we got 3 minutes left.
I know.
We gotta go fast.
I'm plugging and I'm chugging.
Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5. B.
I don't do well with pressure.
Mm-mm. So 5b plus 12 is, what is that, less than or equal to 27? No, just less than 27. Subtract the 12s. We end up with 5.
That's greater than.
Sure is. It's greater. I'm trying to look at the camera instead of
make
the screen.
contact.
Yeah, because it probably looks real dumb with us looking straight up at the sky. Okay, so 5b divided by 5 is 3. B is greater than 3. Okay? Keep going.
Made it.
Okay. Okay, special cases. Hint,
Mhm.
use the distributive property. So,
So this is just combining both things that we just did into one.
mhm,
So don't become stressed all of a sudden because it.
bring your stress level down.
Yeah.
So we're going to just do all the same stuff. Distribute.
So 10 minus.
8a.
Leave that sign.
Yep, 10 minus 8a.
Wait a minute. This looks funny.
Wait a minute.
So I'll just add 8a to both sides.
Ah!
And then I have what?
I have 10 is greater than or equal to 10. It is.
This is a.
Special case. Dun dun
Dun,
dun.
There you go. It's always true. So all of your solutions are real numbers.
Mhm. Well, so what do I write for my answer?
All real numbers.
Oh, so you write all. So right
Because any number could be
put in
A.
there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to write all real numbers. That's what you write for your answer. If you get something the same on both sides and it's equal, you write this because it works.
Because
For-
any number you plug in for A will work.
Right, like in this case it was 10. Okay,
Right.
so let's keep going. Now, do you know if this inequality will have a solution or not?
Okay.
Without solving.
So this is, without solving.
So I can see that 7m and minus m.
is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6m.
So 6m plus 7
Mm-hmm.
has to be greater than 6m plus 5. I see the same thing on both sides, but it's greater than now. So wouldn't this be no solution?
This is no solution.
Because if I plug in 0 on both sides, it's not going to work. All right.
And if you would have solved
We
that.
got to go fast.
Okay. Well, if you would have solved it, you would have had -5 is greater than 7.
That's true. That's true. Okay, so try these on your own. Pause the video.
Okay, so hopefully you have something just like this. On A, I have 9 is less than or equal to -1.
That's not true.
Not true. So is that all real numbers or no solution?
No solution.
There you go.
Okay.
Over here.
That's no. Oh, it's the same thing. No, it's 8x is big. Yeah, it's going to be all real numbers because if the 6x's go away, I have 8 is greater than 2.
Right.
Awesome. Okay. Lesson check. We'll see you on the flip side.
Later.